Welcome back to GearUp Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to view the file system of a drive in Windows 11 or 10 using System Information tool. For this, click on this one Start button and here type System Information. In the search results, click on this one System Information. Then click on this one Components, expand it components, then expand this one storage by clicking in the left side plus icon, then here select drives. On the right side you will find file system for each drive. Like this you can find in your PC. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel GearUp Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video press thumbs up. Bye bye.